everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Good everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online from home. Yes, I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and I am also a software developer. Yes, if you have been following my video, you will know I am a affiliate marketing coach and I've been training people on how to make money online for a while now, and I am still training people on how to make money online on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, to my guidelines, I'm a tutor. You don't need to have experience in affiliate marketing or on how to use the method which I'm going to be teaching you, because I'm going to be breaking it down to the simplest method that even a beginner that has not been into affiliate marketing before will start any beautiful result like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the result of one of my students that got my software and video course and has been anywhere from the following day he got the software. Yes, we all know that affiliate marketing is just selling a particular product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. Yes, and the more product to sell, or the more the number of the products, the higher your commission, and the higher the price of the product also, the higher your commission. So there are different things you have to know while entering into affiliate marketing so that you can have less commission. Yes, I've also battled with different issues in affiliate marketing, which one of them is how to get traffic. I mean people that are going to be accessing your affiliate marketing link and are going to be buying your software, or they are going to be buying your product on affiliate marketing. And I've also encountered different problems also, and that is why also as a software developer I have come up with different software on how to solve that problem, and I've come up with a affiliate marketing traffic generating software which I've been using over the time now, and it has been giving me excellent results on ClickBank affiliate marketing and other affiliate marketing platforms. Yes, this software is only applicable to ClickBank. You can also use it on other affiliate marketing platforms, and you can use it on Shopify and any other store, affiliate marketing store, because it uses similar method to promote all the platforms product. So my software work by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffics online daily. They are targeted traffics. I mean people that need the product you are going to be selling. Yes, my video course will guide you step by step on how you are going to be using the software to get targeted traffics. I mean traffics that are going to be buying your product 100%. Yes, with my video course you are going to be accessing different details and secrets and method by which you will become a successful affiliate marketer, and you get the results like the one you can see on the screen. So to get my software and video course and know more about the software, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get the software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.